Hey everybody, and welcome back to the second lecture. In this lecture, we will be looking on some things that we have done previously and string manipulation as well. Now on the screen, you have an output given, which is my name is ABC, my name is ABC, my name is ABC. So you want it 3 times. What is the method you are going for? So if you're new to programming, a common answer would be that, okay, this is easy. Let's have print, let's have those brackets, let's have those quotes. My name is ABC. And then what you'll do is that you'll either write it 3 times again or just copy it like I'm doing, and you'll run the code, and yes, you're getting the exact same result. But when you're writing longer codes, this method might not be as feasible as this looks right now. So another way to do this is to write this once, use the backslash n. So this backslash and n, and then you write the next line, my name is ABC, backslash n, my name is ABC, and then you close the quotes and the bracket and you run the code, and this gives you the exact same result again, right? So isn't this easy as well, right? You have to just write it down once. You can use this backslash n to do this rather than writing that 3 times. Now let's see what happens if I give a space over here and a space over here. So now what happens really is that if you see right here where the code is being run, this has moved forward. So if you want to move it, sure, but if you want them in a straight line like we want it to be, we'll just write it like this, and yes, we have them in the sequence. Now let's now talk about string concatenation. Let me just erase this all, and let's talk about string concatenation. What exactly is string concatenation? So what you really do in this is that you take separate strings and you merge them together. This looks like that you write print, you have this bracket, you have this double quote, hello plus ABC. When you close these brackets and when you run this code, you can see it right here. This has merged. It says hello ABC. Right. Now, if you want a space in between, there are 3 ways we can do this. The first way is to give a space after the word hello, and in between its quotes. So we have a space over here. If I now run the code, we do have a space in between hello ABC. The other way to do this is to have a space in the start of ABC and its quotes. And now when I run this code, it's the exact same result. The third way to do this is to add quotes here after over here, double quotes here, space, double quotes, and a plus sign here. And now when I run this code, I'll get the exact same result as well. So these are 3 ways by which you can get space in between the words. Another important thing to note here is that while you're working in Python, these spaces have importance. So if I have a space before print, this code will not run and you'll have an error that is unexpected indent. Now, indentation error, unexpected indent is basically telling you that before print you have a space. And when you read this error, you'll head back to the line and you'll see, yes, there is a space before print, and you'll just press backspace and run. The code is now working fine. Right, so the code begins from the start in Python. And this is pretty much it with the lecture 2. We'll meet in the lecture 3. Until then, practice the first 2 lectures.